Hello guys, welcome to my channel Netcast on WebTech Zone. So in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how you can make zip file. So there is a two three ways or method that you can make zip file on your laptop or your window. Okay, so let's start the video, and at the end, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let me start with the video. Okay guys, so here we are. This is my folder and I have some file in this folder. So if you want to make zip files, so I need to select that files. Okay, so we have some PDF and text file. So you can select file like this. Okay, you need to just select from your mouse button, select any area and drag to the file area. Okay, or you can select multiply or random, like you need to hit the control key on your keyboard and hold it and select your desired files like this. Okay, after your selection, what we need to do, we need to right click on any file, and here you can see the options. Okay, so first option, you can compress to zip file. Okay, we can compress. This is a compress to option in window. Okay, you can compress to zip file. This is 7z zip file, which is another software, and this is tar file. Okay, so you can make it zip file. Okay, if you have this option, you can make zip file. Another, you can find this WinRR. If you go to show more options, here you can see the option WinRR. This is also Windows software. If you have, you can make it. You just do the add to the RAR file, so it will be make zip file. Okay, or another option, you can go to the send to. Okay, and here you can see the option compress zip folder, so you can make it from here also. But this will okay, this option is make your file in zip, but it won't reduce your file size. Okay, if you use this, it will be definitely reduce your file size, and you can easily send to the on the email, or you can easily send or upload to any source. Okay, or okay, let me do this rar file. Okay, so we have done these documents. Okay, if I click on it, so this is all files we have. So let me check all these files size. It is 10.3 MB. Okay, and if I choose if I check this zip file size, it is 6.86 MB, so it is reduced by 4 MB. Okay, so that is how you can make zip file on your window or laptop. So I hope you like this video. Please subscribe and thank you for watching.